Okay, so I don't know how to start this video. So we were leaving Peck, Kansas, and heading on our way to the Corral Drive-In in Guoyman, Oklahoma. But when I woke up that morning, I went outside and I did this video of myself walking around the winery and whatever. And I don't know what I was thinking, but day 3, I think I lost my mind because I was referring to the winery in a different spot than it really was. I said that our next destination, the Corral Drive-In and RV Park, was in New Mexico, when in reality it was not in Mexico, New Mexico. And anyways, I don't know how to start this next video other than to just kind of narrate my way through this to try and cover up all the errors. Here we go. We are leaving from Peck, Kansas, all the way to... I don't even remember now. It's in the video. Here we go. All right. Thank you, Wyldwood Cellars. Bye, winery.
I must don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field, when you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state.
And just like that, as we were driving through, I don't know, Oklahoma or something like that, it's all flat. There's nothing really all that exciting. You go, and then you stop through these little small towns, and then you go, and then you stop again through these small towns. All of a sudden, off the side, I see these signs. And this was one of the first stops of our... We've just been hauling straight through. We stopped for gas once, but we were just hauling straight through. But then it became a matter of, okay, we're going to stop for these small little things now. We're making good time. We're going to stop. We're going to go and check out this. We're making a detour. We're turning around to go to a... We're gonna go see a hooker. We're in, what city are we in? Oklahoma?
Oklahoma, yeah.
We're in Hooker, Oklahoma. And there's just too many good signs and stuff to not have to stop at something. So there's a market there that says, get your hooker t-shirts here. So we're just gonna... Maybe there's a magnet I can get.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, it would have broken when it came right out of the rail.
That's right.
Trying to go slow to different corners.
Yep, took that one a little too tight.
I think you hit the curve. Give me with the curve. See, it's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna back up just a bit. Which door was it?
I might need to keep this.
Oh, that one, yeah. I thought that when I was... And yes, I ended up hitting something, and I don't know why. I don't know why. I just did. And the drawer that has my spice racks flew open, and at the time, it was just all filled with bottled water. So it was heavy. It was very bottom heavy. The door just flew open, and it knocked it off the tracks, and so now the door doesn't close right. So it's something I still have to... I'd have to fix.
You're getting a gift from it?
Something for someone? Thank you.
When you see the sun, do you like it better when the sky is blue?
That's right there.
I know I do. I know I do. In a summer state of mind.
Hooker, Oklahoma. Support your local hookers. It's gonna go up right next to the Kansas one. Yeah. Paul's religiously washing his hands because we just had a run-in with the anti-masker.
True.
I'm gonna get the sign here. We are staying tonight at the Corral Drive-In RV Park. And let me flip this around for you here. So the greatest thing about the Corral Drive-In and RV Park, it was the first stop that we've had so far where there wasn't snow on the ground and it was warm and it was nice outside. So we got to fly the drone for the first time and we got to play in the playground.
Feels, almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field. When you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind.
I'm not sure if I'm going to get stuck. Just spill my beer. Come on there.
Put 'em in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no
You're evaluating
worries,
your sleep.
plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can.
Hey,
Do you like it better
You look great.
when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun?
Just your average 48, 50-year-old man? I'm not sure.
oh my gosh, I'm gonna get off this and kick your ass. So by this time of the trip, we've kind of got into our routine. As we settled in for the evening, we find whatever local channels we can pick up on the TV, get some food. This time we ordered pizza. They brought it straight to the RV park, which was great. Most likely a bottle of wine, even though I don't remember, but probably most likely. Or some beer, or possibly both. And then we were on to our next stop. So here's the stats on our trip from wherever we were to wherever we were going. Right here.